he helped me stay in the school my freshman year. They were gonna kick me out, but he talked to the school to keep me in, give me another chance.
They're really nice because they like take you out of your class and just talk one-on-one instead of just like in a group.
They help a lot because they understand. You could talk to them about what you're going through. They help you out a lot. Anything you need, they're like there for you.
When they pulled me out of class, they would just do a little check-in on how I was feeling, what was going on, like in school and outside of school, and it just gave me a chance to open up.
On Tuesdays and Thursdays, from having a day, there's Corey and Renee I can always rely on just to like go out and talk or stuff.
We talk about like different topics, like relationship outside of school, like how school, like how do you feeling, you know? I can come to them whenever I need it. If I'm having a problem with something, they're there, and I know that. And so that's good to always know that somebody's there, no matter what.